It's like, tell me if I'm audible. You can just message in the comment section. Hello, check. Can you guys hear me? I see a lot of people, already 25 people have joined. It's nice. Can you guys tell in the comments if my voice is clear? Cool.
How about now? Is it okay? Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Mic testing. Hello, check. Hello. Hello, check. Hello, guys. So, hello, guys. Myself, Ayandeep Sengupta. I'm from West Bengal. I'm currently studying in IIT Madras. Uh, this year, I just completed my first year in Medical Science and Technology department. So today I'm gonna teach you guys about CAD designing and its like fundamentals, beginner level. So what is CAD designing? CAD designing is its full form is computer aided designing. So CAD is the process of creating precise 2D drawings and 3D models with the help of computers. It is widely used in engineering, product designing, architecture, robotics, and manufacturing to turn ideas into functional designs. Fusion 360 is one of the best and powerful cloud-based CAD software developed by Autodesk that combines the design, simulation, rendering, and manufacturing tools in one platform. Its user-friendly interface and professional features make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced designers. So I told you guys to install the Fusion 360 beforehand. I sent you a link. I hope many of you have installed it and are ready with it. So now I'm gonna open this PPT is for you guys to check after the session. I'll be continuing my session in Fusion only. So let me reopen for you guys the Fusion. So here is the Fusion 360 software. Here are some models I created before. So now I'll go to new, and we'll work on millimeter and gram unit system. So we can select hybrid design here, because like we can do assembly also, but it's okay. Hybrid lets us do like a lot of extra things. So in the bottom left corner, if I like press any key in the my keyboard, you can see which key I'm pressing, right? So it will help you guys to understand how I am controlling the Fusion software. So this is the browser. Here you can see the like origin, name, views. If you create some sketch form, it will show here. You can rename them here, and it also shows the joints, the new components, all such. So first thing in Fusion we're gonna learn is how to draw 2D things. So first of all, first I will teach you the navigation. Okay, so the guys who have mouse with them, they can first, for them, if you click this orbit thing, this type of cursor comes. So by this you can like rotate it in 3D. Okay, you can rotate it in 3D. If you go near this circle, this faded circle here, you can see the cursor is being like circular. Then if you like rotate, it will rotate in a circular way in 2D. Okay, so this is the rotating part of it. If you want to like go from left to right, or right to left, top to bottom, or anything without changing the perspective of the view, then just press the scrolling button and like do gliding. You can see, right? You can see here middle click I'm holding. So it's like this. With scrolling up and down, you can zoom in and zoom out like this. And what else? This is the cube here. It's for the like, you can choose this XY plane here. Now here it's like negatives YZ plane. You can also like change planes here. Okay, so now this is all the navigation system. Here you can see it's called the timeline. This is browser, this is, and this is the place where we work. It's called Canva. So here in the timeline, you will be able to see, after I do some things in the Canva, that it shows you whatever you have done. Okay, it's like a video. So first we're gonna create some 2D sketches. We'll work on that. These 2D sketches are the like stepping stones of the 3D modeling in Fusion. So let's create one. I'm gonna select this plane. Here these all are structures we can like create. His line, midpoint line. I'll start with line. So it's pretty easy. You guys can like do it on your own. You click here, then go wherever you want, like this. Click and go like this. You can create lines. While creating this line, if you join, like make it a closed structure, it becomes a plane. See, you can see your faded some coloring here. So it means it has become a plane. After this, you can finish the sketch. If you want to edit, you can like do this. You can edit through this. Okay. So yeah, this is line. I'm gonna just go here. I'm again gonna create a sketch. Now we're going to do midpoint line. It's like we are selecting through this cursor which will be the middle point of our uh, drawn line. Okay, so this I selected the middle point. You can like do it, you navigate like this. So without mouse you also can do, like if you want the length to be, guess suppose like 20 millimeters, you can type 20 and then press tab to go to the angle part of it. So you don't need to type out all the angles here. You can just like the units here, you can just type 40 and enter. So it will be 40 degree from the baseline. This is our drawn line. So after this we can draw three kinds of rectangles. First 2 point, you guys can easily understand this, I guess. Yeah, like this. I clicked here first, then here. It's like this. Well, you guys should see the bottom left corner every time. Like, yeah, it's showing what I'm typing here or clicking here. So this is the 2-point rectangle. Now 3-point rectangle. Using the 3-point rectangle, we can create tilted rectangles. Like first point here, then we'll create this. Now this. If you guys use this in your own computer, you guys will easily understand how to do it. It's not that like hectic of a thing. Like this. So another is center rectangle. You choose the center. Now you can choose the lengths here, like suppose 50, then tab, and 120. So this is our rectangle here. And now we're moving on to circles. Center diameter circle. Just give me 1 minute, guys. So yeah, this is the center diameter circle. Through this you can choose the length of the diameter, like this. Suppose it's 250. No, 250 will be large. Suppose 85. Yeah, like this. Remember, it chooses the diameter, not the radius. So now 2-point circle. We can, like, we're choosing 1 point of the circle and the next point of the circle here, like this. Now if you want to do the 3-point circle, it's like this. You guys can try yourselves, okay? So this is 1 point of the arc, this is the radius, and this is like this. So these are some sketches. Then let's move on to tangents. Yeah. So here's a line. I'm going to draw a tangent. So let's do tangent point. We'll choose these two circles. So it will be tangent with these two lines like this. You can choose the radius here. Focus on this green line here. It shows you that its radius or the diameter. Okay. So let's keep the radius 30. No, 30 is a bit small here. So 60. Yeah. Like this. Now suppose you have a triangle like this. A triangle. You want to draw a circle with 3 tangents. So select these 3. It will give you this. Yeah. You can also do it like if you want a square here, go to circle, 3 tangent circle. You can select these 3. It will give you an encircle. So yeah, then you can do arcs. These are pretty easy tools. You can use it by, you can learn it by your own, but I'm showing you a little bit. This is one arc. You can like this. If I choose a bigger path, then the 2 points of the arcs and then the radius like this. Okay. Now arcs, center point up, tangent up. Yeah, let me show you one. So for this right here, oh, I haven't selected it. Like this. So it will start from the end of a line and create the arc for you. It will be smoothing like this. So again, let me show you another one like this. Here to here. Yeah. So now this spline thing, it's like, yeah, this is a little bit more useful because you can do whatever like this. It goes through the path and helps you make the sketch like this. Whatever path you choose, it will create one line. And if you like sorry guys, let's press enter. Now after like finishing the sketch, you can also like play with it and move it. You can like edit it on your own like this. This is all. So these were the rest of it you can check out later. It's easy, only you guys can learn yourselves. Let's move on to the 3D part. These are the sketches. Okay, so I'll go to a new design. I'll create one sketch. I'll go here. Let me oh, one thing. Yeah, so here drawing the sketches in drawing the sketches, a crucial part is the constructing the planes. Okay, in that case I just chose like creating sketch. I chose this plane, which is like, I guess it's YZ or whatever. It's one plane in the cube. So if you want to choose any other plane rather than those three, you can also do that. Like if you go here, construct an offset plane. If you select this plane and hold this arrow upwards, you can also give input to the distance, let's say 67. So this will be the plane. It is 67 millimeters distant from the main, I guess, XZ plane, like this. You can also do plane at an angle, tangent. I'll show you these things later on. This offset plane is one of the major things, so I showed you that one first. So yeah, now we're going to create one sketch. Select this plane. First, let's create one cylinder. This is a circle. So finish the sketch, select the circle, press E. You can press E, or here it's called extrude. Go to create and click this extrude. Now you can hold this arrow upwards like this, or you can manually give the input, say 45 millimeters, like this. It will create like this, created like this. Okay, so now here you can select this plane again, go create sketch. You can draw a closed figure like this. Finish the sketch, select this plane, extrude. Now hold this arrow and go downwards. It will help you cut through this. See, here operations are join, cut, intersect, new body, new component. So the first one I did, it was new body, so it created a new body. And extruding in the second option, it's cut. So in cut, it is doing like, it is creating a hole. If you do it like this, it will create one way hole only. The other part will be still closed. And if you do it again, then go all the way down, it will create a total hole, an entire hole. Okay, like this. You guys can see, right? Yeah. So this is cut. If you want to like again go here, create a sketch, do once let's do one rectangle here, finish the sketch, select the plane, press E. Now give it 20. If you do join these two, like this cylinder and this cube, this both will be one body. See, it's here in bodies, it's only body. It's, you can select it both at once. But if you go to this, to extrude, again 20, but to new body. Okay, so here see, it's two bodies. One is the cylinder, second one is this cube. These are the types of extruding. Extruding is the like most basic thing in Fusion. You can create the basic models and edit upon it. Okay, so this is a cylinder, on top of it there is a cube. So let me create another one. Create sketch, go to this plane, I'll do one circle like this, finish the sketch, select the plane. Now I'll extrude it. So here I will select this plane, go to modify and select shell. So here I'm going to give it a thickness of 5 millimeters, say. So it will create it like this. See, I have only chose the upper face of the body. So it the other part of it is still closed. See, it's closed. But here it's shelled, like the inner side is empty. So if I go back, do undo, and then select both of this. So if you guys want to select multiple things at once, just go here, press shift and select the another one. So it will let you select both things at once. Here you can do 5, 6, whatever you want. So I'm again going to shell. I'm going to give 5 millimeters of thickness. Now see, there's a hole there. The whole thing is like empty inside. It's just a sheet now. This is shelling. Now in everyday objects, like if you have seen the almirah or some structures in a building, often you can see there are smoothened edges, or like smoothened edges and corners like that. So if I have a rectangle, then I'll extrude this rectangle. Like suppose I extrude it like this. It's empty. Okay. Now I'm gonna select here. I'm gonna go fillet. You can press F also, but I'm going to say click this. So I'm gonna select this edge here. Now I can give some radius to it. Let's say 4 or 8. 8 is a it. Let's say 15. It will become like this. You can see, right? It's smoothened up here. You can also like hold this arrow and do it like this. It helps you like a lot. If you go all the way, it becomes flat. So yeah, it's like this. I'm gonna cancel it because I have to show you more things. Now I will do fillet again. I'll select these 3 edges, so it has a corner now. I can do fillet. I will do say 15. So see here, the corner is like this, so it's called rolling ball corner. If I select setback, it will be like this. So this is a better structure, I guess, in case of smoothening the edges. This is, you can see this smoothening is constant here, like it's symmetric. You can also do like different things here. I will show you. If I select this, then I'll go to fillet. I'll do variable first. See, there are 2 arrows here. One here, I will select this, it will go like this, and this one like this. You guys can understand. If you work on it, if you do alongside with me, it's gonna help you. This is gonna if you hold this one in the middle and like swipe, do this, you can select the tangency weight here. You can see the value here, tangency weight. So it's like this. Like if it's like this, it will be, if it's 0, you select 0. Select 1. See, it's changing. Let's select 100. It's not gonna work. 0.0001. It's not. This is the thing. So you can also do chord length like this. Okay, what's happening? Just a little bit. Like this. We'll make things like this. See, after you go beyond a certain point, it doesn't let you do that because it's not physically possible. Okay, so now you can do asymmetric. Like asymmetric is like smoothing will be more here and less here, or more here and less here. You can play along with it. It's pretty easy and cool to play with it. So yeah, this is the thing. Now I'm going to drink some water. After fillet, see here it's curved. Sometimes it's not curved like this. The edges can be flattened through the chamfer tool. We're gonna select this edge here, right here, this and this. We're gonna give it say 20. Chamfer, select these, then we're gonna give 20. Say it gives you a triangular corner. If we do meter, it is gonna give you like this, and if you do blend, it is gonna give you a hexagon. Pretty good, right? So let's go with it. Yeah, so this is pretty much the basics. So now this is a random material this is made up of. Okay, so if we go to modify and go to appearance, then we can see lots of materials here. Suppose we select gold. We're gonna download it. We're gonna hold the material after downloading is complete, and then go to the body and give it to it. So now it's made of gold. Pretty glossy and pretty odd. So yeah, this is gold. Let me do another thing. Appearance. I'll choose say aluminum glossy gray. Let's download it. I will do this. It's like this. I know it's not much of a change, but if you see more closely, you can see it. So yeah, I'll change it if you guys want. I'll go to say titanium. Now this is titanium. Let's give it a blue aluminum, blue colored aluminum. See, the material is being changed. I'll give this one wood material. I can give walnut. this. This. See, it's made of wood now. It's pretty good looking. Like, if I zoom in for you guys, yeah, see, you can see the wood, right? So yeah, this is appearances. These are the basic things in Fusion 360. Now we're using all these tools, we're gonna create one model for you. So yeah, I'm going to create sketch, into this. We're going to make a keychain or a rectangular keychain. Okay, so let's do an angle, let's say 100 and depth 50, no, 45. Yeah, this is a rectangle. Then I'm gonna extrude it, not that much, 5. Yeah. Now I'm gonna choose this surface, create one sketch. Move it a little bit to position. Now I'm going to extrude it, go to 3D, hold the arrow downwards like this to create a hole. Now this part, I'm going to select chamfer, select the edges, now do it like, say, 1, 2 is a bit too much, so I'm going to do 1.5. yeah, like this. I'm going to choose the other edges, I'm going to go fillet, then do this, 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 this. I'm going to choose everything here, every other corner. This one. Let's see if, yeah, it's selected. Then I'm gonna do again 1.5, a little bit more, I guess. 2.5. Yeah. See, if we do 2.5 in a 5mm width thing, it becomes a total curve, because see, 2.5 from up, 2.5 from down, so it like merges. So I like set back more, so I'll do this. Yeah, okay. So this is the keychain. I'm gonna do some initials here. I'm gonna go here, create sketch, create text. This one, create this, right eye, I'm gonna select this, extrude this downward, minus say 2 millimeters. Yeah. So this is a keychain. I'll add material to it. I think a wooden keychain would be better. Here I'm gonna choose a different wood this time. Let's say walnut, pine, wood solid, finished. So here is a keychain. Let me know in the comments how does this look. Okay, here's the most basic, like very basic model you can create from this. So I'll give you guys 3 minutes break, and I'm gonna show you the attendance form. You can fill it up now, and I'm gonna show it to another type, like in another 2 minutes break. So yeah, you guys can take your attendance from here. Let's see you in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So hello guys, welcome back. We're gonna go Fusion. Now we're gonna learn some advanced tools in Fusion 360. Yeah. This is the keychain. I'll create another. We're gonna learn some patterns, how to use patterns here. So I'll create one sketch. Right here, I'm gonna create a rectangle like this. So finish the sketch, extrude. Create one circle here. Finish the sketch. Extrude it once again. -2. So now we're gonna go to create, then pattern on path. So for that I have to first create a path. So I'm gonna create the sketch here, then a spline like this. Yep, this is the path. I'm going create a hole. So now again I have to go create sketch, go to spline. So see, if you move the cursor, if you want to like start it from this circle, see it's coming near it. While you come near it, it just snaps right onto the circle. So it's pretty easy to handle all this design. So yeah, like this. I'm gonna end the sketch here, finish the sketch, edit it a little bit. Now I'm gonna go to create, go to pattern, and then pattern on path. Let's go here. Then here are three kind of things: bodies, faces, and features. Others you can also use, but yeah. I'm gonna select feature, and then I'm gonna select this hole right here. So like this. Then I'm gonna go to path, click here, and then select. Now holding this arrow, I'm gonna let this go like this. I can, like, if I want, like, say 6 holes like this, yeah, like this, or say 10. 10 is a bit much, so I'm gonna try 8. Yeah, spacing is good. Like this. See how the holes are made. So again I'm gonna try another thing. Pattern on path. Go to the other side. Select this. Then select the path. Then see here. First one was extent. If I select like what is this? This is 8. The extent is like I am selecting the farthest point for the repeating pattern, and it is arranging the other holes like this in similar gaps between them. If I click this suppress button and like click out this one, so while doing the pattern thing, this one will not appear. The others will be there, but this one will not appear. If I click out this box also, so it will like vanish. So these all will be there. You can like select or deselect these things like this. If you do go to spacing, then use the arrow, it will like increase the space between, like the respective space between the adjacent holes like this, and it will adjust the others accordingly like this. You can see. So you can see all these are going outside the line, right? So when going outside the line here, this spline line here, so after that this it goes in a straight line. You can see, I think you can see like this. So here goes pattern. Now okay, it's gonna load. Yeah, this one. So now I'm gonna go to create pattern. I'm gonna first create a path. No, let's do circular. Pattern, I'm gonna do circular. Select this body. Here is also body, spaces, features. Now this time I'm gonna do body. axis, create one axis. See, let's do this. Create sketch. Here, then create one small rectangle here. Select this. Construct axis perpendicular to the face. Point. Okay. Now I have the axis. Now create pattern, circular pattern. Bodies, axis is this one. Object is this one. If I increase the amount, it will be created like this. Pretty beautiful, right? Yeah, this is circular pattern. So first one was custom made pass, second one was circular. Now you can do rectangular pattern. Similar for this, I'm gonna undo the circular thing. Now let's go to create pattern, rectangular pattern. I'm gonna select this object here, axis this one. So it's gonna create. It creates copies in one line. Like here, it creates copies, and it here create copies like this. You can see, right? 3 here, 3 here. So it total is 9. Again, the same thing. You can do one direction. If you do symmetric, it will do both sides. Like here one direction again. You can do spacing. Again, the same thing, just as the previous one, like this. So yeah, this is the rectangular. Here goes patterns. Now we're gonna learn mirroring, how to do mirroring. Go to another one. Let's not save this. Don't save. Another design, hybrid design. This. Let's create one sketch, select the plane, go here. Now let's create. Specify one line, okay? So, like this. Let's guess in the comments what I'm gonna draw. Okay. One thing here. This. Another one. Selected lines. This one, go here. Now another thing, if I select this and go here in the offset, then I can create another one like this, right? So yeah, just wanted you to done that. Now another one, not arc. It's pretty heavy task. This one. You guys, did you guys make the keychain yourself? You should try. I'm gonna create one conic like this again, like this, enter, and spline goes here, I thought this was easy. That's why I choose this, but it's clearly seems it's not. It's almost there. Let's wait a little bit more. I'm making this for the first time though. This, 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 this. Conic curve here, here. Again another one. This one right here, here, then here. Yep. Now just one line remaining. I think you guys can. Now we have to select all these edges. Okay. Now first select mirror, then select all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I can just mask this. Mirror line, this one. Okay. Finish the sketch. A. What happened? Oh, I didn't select those. Let's go back. all these, then mirror line. Yeah. Okay. If you guys have any phobia, let me know. I'm gonna now to extrude this thing. Okay, 3. Okay. Hello guys. Even see, we can use mirror like this, right? So if you move this point right here, it also moves in the another part of the mirror. See, it's like this. If you like move this one, it will move. If you move this one, it will move. You just have to make the pattern and select the line and mirror it. So this is how mirroring goes. Now again I will select these two, extrude them like F3, enter. Then I'm gonna go modify appearance. Let's give it a badass look. Yeah. Why isn't it happening? I don't know. Wait a little bit. I think a little bit is hanging. Let's select another painted wood would be better. This is fine. Yeah, see? Oh, your Spider-Man keychain for you. Let's move on from mirror. We spent a lot of time here, then we're gonna go to a new one. Create sketch. Select this plane. Now we're gonna learn revolve. We're gonna learn revolve. So here let's draw a circle like that. Finish the sketch. Go like this. Again creating a sketch here for the axis. See, if you double click, the line ends. If you don't, it goes on like this. Okay. Finish the sketch. Select it. Go modify. Go create. Then go to revolve. Select for profile. It's selected already. For axis, select this. New body. Okay. See, there's a ring kind of structure. Nice, right? So I'm going to go back again. Let's move this away. Again, let's create one sketch. I'm gonna do a rectangle this time. Finish. Select this. Go create. Then do revolve. Select this axis right here. So it's like this. If you like edit it to 270, it will be like this half. If it's 180, 180, then it's like a semicircle. Okay, like this. You can also do partials like 30, like 60. but I think best is 360. Okay, so this is revolve. Now we're gonna go to another thing. Let's create some patterns with this revolve thing. Okay, let's undo it. Undo finish sketch. I'm gonna make something here. So let's delete this one. Let's go to another one. Create sketch. This one like this. Go create line. Like this. Enter. I'm gonna go for a conic curve here. This to this and curve. Enter. Now I'm gonna create the axis right here. Finish the sketch. Select the plane, go create, do revolve. Select the axis. See, it creates structures like this. Yes. Let's do another one. Let's go create sketch. Select this plane. Selected, go for revolve. You select the axis. See, it's a quite nice structure. We can create things like this. Okay, that's all for revolve. Then we're gonna learn sweep. Let's learn sweep. Let's create another sketch. Select this plane. Or I'm gonna do one spline for pass. I'm gonna construct a perpendicular plane. Okay. Not offset plane. Cancel. Select this. Construct. Perpendicular. Let's do one thing. Construct the plane. Select this path. Here's the sketch. Select this. Construct. Go plane along path. Path this. So this is the plane along this path. I'm gonna start it this way. Here is a plane. I'm gonna select it. Create one sketch. Select this plane, create one sketch, then go here, then create this circle, create one circle of 150 millimeters, then this is the sketch. Now I'm going to select this. Now I'm going to sweep in path. It's like this. Select the body. What is it? It's lifting. What the hell? Cancel. Create. Go sweep. Single path, select this one, and for path select this one. The path is a little bit complex, that's why it's not happening. I'm gonna straighten it up a little bit, then I'm gonna do sweep again, sweep. Select this one. What is the problem now? Sweep tool is a little messy. This should work, no? This should work. Sweep, select this. See, here it's the problem. Okay, let's see. Yeah, now let's sweep it like this. It will go along this path. If we make the path a little bit too complicated, it becomes like it doesn't. If it the object body intersects itself with it along the path, Fusion doesn't allow you to like make the new component here. Yeah, like this. So this one is this one is sweep. This can do solids, single path. So we can do some editing on that also. Path, taper angle, let's say, let's do 39. Let's take 1. Yeah. It's like this. You understand, right? 5. So let's give this 4. Not 14, man. 4. So for this twist angle, we can give 30. Twist angle is not taken. What happened? So yeah, this is sweep. We can create, let's make this thing a shell. Right. See, inside it, it's a shell. Do this too also, I guess. If I go back, select these two. See, it's a pipe kind of thing, right? Let's see inside. This is sweep. Let's go to another. So, new design. Let's delete some of this, or else my computer will go away. Let us just delete this Spider-Man. No problem. Go create sketch. Now we're gonna learn one more thing we have here. It's loft. Guys, hold on. A little bit more is there. I'll teach you one thing. Let's do one circle here. Finish the sketch. Select it. Construct an offset plane. So go here. Go there. Like this. Okay. An offset plane. Create one sketch again. Now I'm gonna do spline here, like this. Finish the sketch. Now again construct an offset plane. Go here, select this, like this. Okay. Now create a sketch again. This time again do one sweep spline. Yeah, here's the sketch. Now we're gonna do loft. If you go to this thing right here, loft, you select these three, so it makes something like this. It takes all the three sketches and adds them to make one body. You can shell this 2, 3. This is a fine cap kind of thing. You have seen these things in football grounds, right? Yeah. It's not asymmetric like this, but yeah, it's kind of. So now I'm gonna give you a 3-minute break. Now after that, only one topic is left. Then I'm gonna give you some homework for you guys. Then it's it. So this is the QR code. Let me know if you guys can see the QR code or not. After this, we're just gonna make a bookshelf, and that's all. That's all for today. Yeah. So 2 minutes after, we're meeting again. Yeah, so back to work. Just one more thing and we're done for today's session. So I'm gonna create one more design. Here I'm going to modify, change parameters. Here I'm gonna add some parameters like enter name, height, like this. So now we're going to create a sketch. Go right here, then one rectangle. Now in place of 30 millimeters we're going to type shelf, let's say depth, and pressing tab, then we're going to do shelf width, right? Enter, like this. So now we're gonna extrude this thing. In distance we're gonna type shelf height. Okay. Now let's select this face right here, do inside thickness. Here we're gonna type shell thickness. Yeah, like this. Also here select it, this one and this one. Right here we're gonna give it again shell. Oh, I can extrude this thing. Okay, so the shell thickness was 0.5. Extrude this. Select this again, extrude minus self thickness. Now we are gonna select this, then go to pattern, rectangular pattern, objects, select not faces, body, this one, axis. First let's create the axis. Okay, construct axis perpendicular to the face, this one, point, this one. Okay, so create, so the pattern, circular pattern, bodies, this one, select axis. So here we're gonna do shelf height, and here we're gonna give shelf height. What happened? Shelf height. Axis. Create pattern, table pattern, body, object, this one, axis, this one. Now we're gonna pull this up. So this is self height and tab shelf number. This shelf width, and this is shelf number again. So we created a shelf like this with the parameters we have been given. Now we can go to the modify and then go to change parameters. If we change something here, let's make it right here. We change something here, say I'll give it 60. Enter. So this will increase right here. Okay. You can also there I was typing shell height, shell depth. You can also do it like shell height plus self depth. So you can use equations here. Okay. So in complex structures, this is really helpful. I can go and do this. This can be 40. Shell number can be 8 or 10, like this. So it is changing accordingly. So okay guys, this is it for today, session 3. I'm gonna give you some homework in the WhatsApp group. I'll give you like multiple homeworks. You guys have to choose one and you can do it yourself. Okay. So okay, then goodbye for today.